సో మనకి ఎగ్జామ్స్ దగ్గర వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి దాని ప్రకారం నిన్న మేడం అన్మ్యూట్ చేయలేదా? మ్యూట్ చేయమని. సెకండ్ ఐ విల్ మ్యూట్. Where somebody is okay. So as the part of unit 1 revision, last class we discussed. I think everyone received your notes through the WhatsApp also. Morning I sent it to everyone. Did you receive or not? So both PDF and PPTs and overall textbook and overall PDF for all the units. So what are the notes I sent it through, whatever it may be, PPT or PDF or total notes according to our syllabus only, except that textbook is there now. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంది కదా, అది మాత్రం ఏంటంటే ఓవరాల్ హడూప్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. అది కాకుండా మిగతా అన్ని అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ సిలబస్ ఓన్లీ ఐ సెండెడ్ ద మెటీరియల్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ ప్రిపేర్ అండ్ go through clearly and you can prepare for your exam. I think your week 1 exams are very soon, so please be prepared well and come to college. While coming, please bring your assignment 1 and 2. Both assignments please be bring hard copies and submitted to individual staffs, individual subjects. Okay, so last class we were stopped up to last class we discussed about the linked list and how come these primitives are there, and we saw a little bit over that. And today we are going to be see about, as my screen is visible to everyone, the stack yes, screen sir. Is visible to, okay.
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to be discuss some of the data structures in Java. So in that, one of the data structure is about stack. So will you please tell me, I told you when we are discussing a stack, I told you don't go simply when the stacks and queues are coming, don't say the LIFO, FIFO, something. Don't say that the same terminology in an interview, they don't accept it. I ask you to make you some clear definition about the stack. Can anyone remember and you can say that definition? How to present a stack? So simply you can say LIFO, whenever we can call stack, we can call stack is last in first out, we can say. So what is this? Anyone? A stack is a linear or non-linear? Stack is a linear data structure where we are going to be perform data insertion at one place and removing in another place. Is it? No. Stack is a linear data structure where we are going to be add and remove stack based upon the top value. So linear data structure. So what is this linear meaning? So stack is lets you to insert and remove element at one end. So traditionally it is called the top of the stack. So when we are going to be increase the top, we are going to be inserting elements. When we are going to be decrease the top, we are going to be pop the elements. So how we are going to be perform this one? So new items can be added to the top of the stack and items are removed from the top of the stack as well. Therefore, they are removed in the order that opposite from the order in which they have been added is called last in first out. Is called last in first out. For example, if you add items A, B, C, so for example, if you add items A and B and C and then remove, we can obtain C, B, A with stack. The addition and removal operations are called push and pop. Additional, that is addition and removal operations are called push and pop. So we know this stack. So this is again is a generic type we are going to be mentioned. So we are going to be, why the generic means the ABCD is like characters now. So characters we are going to be considering here as a string. So that we are going to be push and how we are. So there are many applications of stack in a computer science. So another way we need to important about, generally they are asking in an interview point of view. So can you elaborate, explain about what are the applications of stack? So simply stack means everyone say that the last in first out we are going to be perform the operation at based upon the top value. So in general and interview point of view, they are going to be asked about what are the real-time applications or computer science applications. What are the applications? Consider undo features for word processor. Undo. What is the undo features? What is this undo? Undo redo. We have no. Did you know that what is undo redo? What is that undo redo? Anyone? Undo redo telida. PDF logo. So this series screen is visible. There is an undo redo. What is the meaning of this undo redo? Go previous.
Close the last action.
Same this. So for example, simply if I am going to be open one word file. The screen is visible.
Yes,
See
sir.
this? For example, if I am going to be type hi, for example, how are you? See, for example, if I am going to be use undo operation, what is the where is the undo? Is it the upside? Have you seen this? This is the undo. So we are going to be remove. What are the operations we can perform here? So redo. So we are going to be pushing into the. This is the simple. So word processor, simply word processor. Now we are going to be talking about these Microsoft Windows, that is Microsoft Office. So that is one. Real time. Can anyone say that real time example of this one? Can anyone say that real time example? Generally, you can see this one. Anyone? Girls, you can say simply. I told you already. Wearing a bangles. So that is a best example. Another one. keeping rock into the rock that shuttlecocks. No, we are going to be keeping in the basket. That is. Then another one. Any other examples? So you can think over that.
Charging.
Charging. What is that? So can
Chargings.
charging, sir. I didn't get you what you are saying. So another important example is to runtime stack is a processor of virtual machine keeps stores the values of variables in a nested method. But is that keep the values in them? So generally we know that what is the variable is going to be take the values. How it is going to be taken? When the new value is inserted, the previous value is going to be deleted. So like that. So variables in a nested method only. Whenever the new method is called, it's the parameter variables and the local variable pushed into a stack. When the method exists, they are popped up again, off again. The Java library provides a simple stack class with the methods push, pop, and peek. The latter the latter gets above the top of the elements of the stack but does not remove it. Okay. So working with stack. Stack integers and new stack that is integers. So construct empty stack. How we are going to be constructed one stack. So push one. So we are going to be insert the value into a push, and push two. We are going to be insert the another value. So if we enter that is 1, 2, 3, it is going to be added the top of the stack and the following of this. And we are going to be remove the path. Which value we are going to be remove? That means we are going to be see the path that is a top value. Based upon the top value, we are going to be pop of that. Then head is equal to s dot peak and gets top of the stack without removing it. Head it is. Okay. So that is a simple operation about stack. Okay. Then another one is about queue. So a queue is lets you add items at one end of the queue and remove from the another end of the queue, that is head. So we are going to be added tail and removing from the head. So the queue yields items in a first in, first out. Which one is comes first and which one comes out? So the first in, first out fashion. The items are removed the same order which they are added. A typical application is to print queue. So print queue. A printer may have accessed the several applications, peripherals running on the different computers. If each application is trying to access the printer at the same time, the printout the world will be grabbed instead of each application places in a printer data to fill into a file and added that file into a printer queue. So print queue. So how we are going to be print? So the printer may connected with the several systems. So which one? So all those printing applications are in the queue. So which one is enter first one? That one is print out and come. So that is in order we are going to see which order. When the printer is done printing on file, it retrieving the next one from the queue. Therefore, the print jobs is printed using the first in, first out concept, which is a fair argument for users of the shared printer. The queue interface in the standard Java library has method add to add an element to the tail of the queue, remove to remove the head of the queue, and peek to get head element of the queue without removing. So how the working operation of queue? So how to create an empty queue? So that is a linked list operation, linked list implementation queue interface. So queue is adding. So that is a queue how we are going to be add. So once we are going to be start removing, so we are going to be removed from the head side. So that is one is removed. So head is p gets head of the queue without removing it. Head is set to be true. So linked list class implements the queue interface whenever you need a queue. A simple initialize a queue variable with the linked list object. A queue is that is a simple one, simple how we are going to be do. This is a linked list implementation of queue we are going to be use and how we are going to be add. So this is a three different lines, but we are mentioning by using a semicolon. That is this is one line, this is one line, this is one. So we are going to be check queue size. If the queue size is greater than 0, then only we can trying to enter, or else we are going to be removed. So how we are going to be. Then another one is about a set. What is a set? So that means we are going to be mentioning a cloud process that set is an interface. Set is an interface. Set is an interface in standard Java library has the same method as a collection interface. There is an essential difference between an arbitrary collection and set. So a set does not admit duplicates. So there is a very important thing about sets is it is not applicable the duplicate values. So have you remember the concept of ఇది sets మీరు maths లో చేస్తుంటారు. So a equal to 1 2 3, b equal to 2 3 4. When we are going to be do the union operation of a union b, a intersection b, a subset of b, a superset of b, such type. When we are going to be do this operation, when we are going to be perform a union b, what is going to be happen? What is going to be happen? We simply say that we don't have any duplication value. All those things we can complete and we can do that one. Okay, that is. A set does not admit duplicates. You add the elements in the set already present and ignore it. So Java platform contains the three general purpose set implementations: hash set, tree set, and hash linked hash set. So hash set, which stores its element in a hash table, is the best performing implementation. However, it makes no guarantee concerning the order of iteration. And tree set is about which stores the elements in a red black tree. So I sent you one file in the Google Classroom. What are the various types of trees are there? So red black tree, B plus tree, general tree. So all those things. Even once again I will show you. So based upon you can remember that. trees concept. Once you can back to your Google Classroom and you can check it. What is the operations which we uh, came to know to the trees concept. One second. So where is the tree response tree trees in these? Yes, I think this file we were discussing about this one. I think screen is visible to everyone. I think so. So trees, this is the trees. What are the terminologies? What are the properties of trees? So what is the node, leaf node, root, edges, and the height of the tree, and binary tree, general tree, avian tree, all those things. So this is the general tree. So this is the types. So see this general tree, binary, search tree, avian tree, red black tree, and splay tree, and trap tree, and B tree. So now we go to see what is the red black tree. So this is the red black tree. See this red black tree is a self-balancing binary search tree. So we know what is a balancing tree. So balancing tree means so at the same level, how many nodes we should keep. So that is plus minus something zero. We need to keep node per zero. So that is red black. The colors of the nodes used show that the tree is remaining approximately balanced during the insertion or deletion. So when we are going to be inserting something, we must see about the whether it is balanced or not. So for example, we are inserting here. So one, so we have two nodes, child nodes. Then again this one, again two child nodes. So how we are going to be make? So what is the usage of this one? As a base of the data structure used in conceptual geometry, used in a complementary pair scheduler using a current Linux kernels. Using this ePols system is called implementing Linux kernel system. So this is the operating system manner we are going to use this red black trees. Okay. So then we go back to our thing. So this is the hash tree. That is a tree. Then linked hash set, which is implemented as a hash table with a linked list is running throughout the order its elements based on the order which they were inserted into set of insertion order. So this method is declared as a set of. So one second. So these methods are declared by a set are summarized in the following table. So how we are going to be do the methods on the sets. So add an object into a collection. So clear removes all the objects from the collection and contains returns the true if a specified object is an element within a collection is empty or iterator is empty means it returns the true if the collector has no elements. Iterator returns an iterator object if any collection may be used to retrieve an object, and removes a specified object from the collection. Size returns the number of elements in the collection. So the set have its implementation in a various classes like hash set, tree set, and linked list hash. The following is set functionalities. This one. So this another one is about map interface. So map interface, a map unique keys and values. So map contains the keys and values. A key is an object that you use to retrieve values at later date. So what is the advantages? What are the uses? Given a key and a value, you can store the value in the map object. After the value is stored, you can retrieve it by using its key. Several methods throw in a no such exception, no element exception. When no elements exist in the invoking map, so a class cast exception is throws when an object is incompatible with the elements in a map. A null pointer exception is throws if an attempt is made to use all null objects and null is allowed in the map. An unsupported operation exception throws an attempt to made to changes an unmodified map. So what are the things are here in the map function means? So void clear removes all the keys, values, pairs from the invoking map. So Boolean contains a key object k and returns true if invoking map contains a k as a key. Otherwise, return false. The Boolean contains the value that is value v. Returns true if it contains a value. So whether it is content. So definitely, if you consider any map, definitely we need to see about both key value pairs. If the both key value pairs are there, definitely it should not miss anything. So Boolean operation means simply we know that there is a true and false operation. So if returning something, it is 0 or 1, such the way we can see. Set entries set operations. So returns a set that contains the entire the map and entries in the map. The set contains the objects of type map entry. These methods provide the set view invoking method. So Boolean equals object obj. It returns true if obj, that is object, is map and contains the same entries. Otherwise, it returns a false. So how we are going to define it? Like string equals string comparison, like same get object and it returns a value associated with the key k. Int hash code returns the hash code for the invoking map. Boolean is empty returns true if invoking map is empty. Otherwise, returns false. Set key set returns a set that contains the keys in invoking map. This method provides a set views of the keys in the invoking map. Then object puts. So here we are going to be passed the two parameters, that is object k and object v. So one is a key and another one is value. Puts an entry that invoking a map. Otherwise, any previous value is associated within the key. The key and the value k and v are respectively. It returns the null if that it is not already existing. Otherwise, it provides the value linked to the key is returned. So that is the same void put all. So put means we are going to be insert some, puts all the entries in the map, whether it is M into this map. So whereas another one is object remove, removes the entry whose key values and int size, returns the number of keys value pairs in the map. Collection values, returns the collection contains a map and value, and provides a collection of views in the map. Example, a map has its implementation in various classes like hash map. The following is the example explaining the map functionality. So this is a simple example program how we are going to be insert. So see that everywhere in a previous in a push and pop operation for a stack and queue where we are going to be doing only one operation, one item, data item we are going to be entered. Here we are going to be combination of one is the value, another one is we are going to be entered two. So how we are going to be printed, how we are going to. Then another one is about generic. So this is a thing. Generic we was added in the Java 5. So from Java 5 also, this provides the compile time checking and removing the risk of class cost exception. So what is this compile time type checking means? While writing the program itself, we are going to be avoid that what type of data types we are going to be and what type of data further we are going to be. So, so we will continue this one in the next class. Okay, thank you. I have a little bit work. I will. So I'm going to. Thank you.